Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Benny and I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Budapest. If this is your first time, thank you so much for stopping by. Please stay. Kindly hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let's grow this community together. So in today's video, we're going to be going through the full face of this brown smoky eye. This is a monotone brown look and I think it's very appropriate for the season right now. So if you're interested in seeing this, please keep watching the video. Okay guys, so I fixed my lashes off camera and this is how we're looking. So next I'm going to do some powder all over my face, some pressed powder all over my face. Guys, I realized the camera was not recording while I did my lips, but I'm going to show you guys the combo that I used. So I used a combination of this lip pencil from MAC, this brown lip pencil from MAC, and this lip paint from NYX. This is the NYX Sleep Tease in the shade Last Frontier. So that was what I used to achieve this lip combo. I just lined my lips and then I spread the lip paint over it. I have no idea how that happened, but this is the combination that I used to achieve this lip. So now I'm going to go ahead and do some highlighter for this look. Okay guys, so this is how we're looking now. I love how this highlighter looks, and as a final touch I think I'm going to put a bit of a gold sparkle in my tear duct. I have been loving that. This is supposed to be a smoky eye, but I just want to add a little touch of that to this look and see how it goes. So I'm going to use this pointed brush. This is from Real Techniques. This is the defining crease brush. So from this Nubian Glow palette by Juvia's, I'm going to take this shade here. So just a little, I don't want it to be too much, and then I just dab over there, little, and I dab over there. Okay guys, so this is how the look came out. This is the finished look. I really love the combination of these brown smoky eyes and brown lips. To be very honest, I was skeptical about doing these, you know, completely brown or dark lips on myself because it just always makes me look older. But I think today, because I have a ponytail, then it just sits really nicely. I love how it complements my skin. It looks amazing. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this look in the comments section. Let me know where you would wear this look to. Okay, I'm eager to know. But for me, I think this is a perfect Thanksgiving dinner look. That will be all from me for this video. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Also follow me on my other social media. It's going to be linked in the description box below. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one.